Good morning, welcome to another Easyas how-to. Today we will show you how to set up item availability. First, just to show you that before setting the availability, we can sell the item. Currently, it's between 9 and 10 in the morning. Then on our main screen, we right-click on the settings gear, click on miscellaneous, and then click on item availability. On this screen, you can select your department. Then, if it's all the categories, or just a single category that needs to be limited, then we set our times the department or category can't be sold, and then we can add either just certain days of the week or all the days. If we go to point of sale now and try to sell an item in that category or department, we will get a notice telling us we are not allowed to sell this item at this time of day. And that's how you set up item availability. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.